Today we are at our dealer shop, UB Auto Accessories, located in Klang. This shop provides soundproofing services and sells Dr. Artek's products. Today we have a Proton X50 that came in to have soundproofing installed on all 4 doors using Dr. Artek's material. One of the main reasons our customer wants to install soundproofing is to enhance the car's audio quality and increase comfort while driving. As usual, before installation, we will ensure that the door panels are carefully removed to protect the sockets and wiring. For the first layer, we are using Dr. Artek's Gold HD Vibration Damper. The function of this vibration damper is to absorb vibrations on the door to reduce noise from traffic and tires. For the second layer, we're using a noise insulator to insulate the noise inside the door, preventing external noise from entering the car cabin. For the third layer, we are applying Dr. Artek's Gold HD Vibration Damper in the middle of the door to absorb internal door vibrations. In addition, we are also using cut pieces of vibration damper on the door panel. Only the thin sections of the door panel will have the vibration damper applied to avoid adding excess weight to the door panel. We're also using a noise absorber to absorb noise from entering the car cabin and reduce the noise from wires inside the door. Our final solution is to install a rubber tube on the car's rubber host to tighten the car doors, preventing wind noise while driving.
For more information, contact our admin.